In this video, I'll show you how you can delete the audio from a video. So this is actually quite simple and we'll get into this right now. So first of all, you want to select a clip or like the both like video and audio, and then you want to right click and click on link clips, which is right there. Now, next up, all you need to do is basically select a different, like right click somewhere, it doesn't matter, to deselect these clips, and then you should be able to click on the audio and you should be able to select that independently from that video. Next up, you can simply click backspace and there you go. Or like that works fine. You can also right click on the audio and then click on delete clips, but that's pretty much how you can delete the audio from a video in Davinci Resolve 16. So if this quick video helped you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below if it works and if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.